Millions of workers are required to wear respirators on the job. Respirators protect workers against environments with insufficient oxygen and airborne hazards such as dust, gases, and sprays. All employees required to use respirators must be trained in their proper use and their limitations. Employers must ensure that each employee can demonstrate knowledge of the following: why the respirator is necessary and how improper fit, usage, or maintenance can compromise its protective effects. The limitations and capabilities of the respirator, including how to use it effectively in emergency situations and what to do if it malfunctions. How to inspect, put on and remove, use, and check the seals of the respirator, and how to properly maintain and store it. Employees must be able to recognize medical signs and symptoms that may limit or prevent the effective use of respirators. And finally, they must show an understanding of the general requirements of OSHA's respiratory protection standard. Training must be provided to employees prior to them using a respirator. Retraining must be conducted annually and whenever changes in the workplace or the type of respirator make previous training obsolete. Retraining is also needed when employees aren't working safely or any other situation in which retraining appears necessary to ensure safe respirator use. And finally, training must be conducted in a manner that's understandable to all employees. Employees depend upon respirators to keep them safe and healthy when working in a hazardous atmosphere. They must understand how to safely use the equipment.